to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today, childhood favourite book of mine, the very first book I ever learned how to read, well, I actually memorised it, Dr Seuss's Green Eggs and Ham. I am Sam I am, I do not like green eggs and ham, let's get on with it. Here I've got a good bunch of chives on the left. I've just cut those into about 1-inch pieces, around about 150 grams worth of baby spinach leaves, and about 100 grams worth of fresh basil leaves. Now, here comes all the experimental part. First thing, I've got 6 eggs in a jug, ready to go. No rocket science to that. Just crack them, put them in, and away you go. A little bit of salt. They can go in around about sort of 1/4 teaspoon, or to taste. If you want a little bit more salt, you can. Again, freshly ground black pepper to taste. Freshly ground always tastes best. Now comes the mystery part. We need to try and smash these leaves up. And I wasn't really sure how I was going to do this. I've put that into a jug or a little jar type deal. It comes with my little mix master, and I'm trying to smash these up using my stick mixer. And as you can probably see over this, it's a bit of an experiment. Right, I'm trying to get these things all smooshed down and make it into like a little paste. And of course, it's not working dry. We're going to add a little bit of water and see if that's going to help. Put a little bit of water in, and we'll give that a little bit more of a mix. And as you can see, none of those leaves are moving around. Now I'm showing you this whole recipe, mistakes and all. Right, I've given up on that. I'll put them into my little chop unit, my little food processor unit. I'm going to give these little quick little blitz, a little bit of a chop up in that. Could have put that on a chopping board and used a knife. So just put all those leaves straight in like that. Give it a little bit of a mix. Look, it chops it up a little bit, so what we're going to do is put those slightly chopped herbs straight into our egg mixture, like that. Now we get out our wand again, and we're just going to simply use that little wand and smash everything up. The eggs, the spinach, the basil, the chives, the whole lot. And before you know it, we are going to end up with this beautiful green egg mixture. No artificial preservatives or colours. Okay. Got our ham. I've gone to my delicatessen. I've asked them to slice me off a little bit of ham, around about a double or triple thickness. It's going to be around about an 1/8 of an inch or 3.2 millimeters thick. I'm just going to fry that off just with a little bit of oil straight in a fry pan until we get a nice little bit of colour on it like that. Right, cut those in half just for presentation. I've also got my toaster happening. I've got a couple of muffins that I'm going to toast up. Pour your egg mixture into the fry pan just like that. We don't need the whole lot in there at once. We're simply going to make a very, very lazy type scrambled egg slash almost omelette. It's not a proper scrambled egg. The scrambled egg is a little bit more runny than what this is, although it is light and fluffy. So just get your little spatula and just move that around a little bit. A little bit of extra butter would have helped stop it from sticking in the center. Didn't really affect it too much, as this is a non-stick pan. So just keep moving it from the sides, and it'll all come together quite quickly. As you can see, bang, we've already got a beautiful green egg. So we're just going to divide this evenly between 4 half muffins, just like that. And look at that beautiful vibrant color, and the flavor is absolutely amazing. Anyway, before you know it, there you go. You've got KP's Dr Seuss's Green Eggs and Ham. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It's a lot of fun. The kids will love it just because it's an incredible colour, and look, you know it's healthy for them. So as long as they don't know, it's the best thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Give me that thumbs up. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. As I said, it's a good fun recipe. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how I create something a little bit different, a little bit more unusual. Take an idea that I have in the morning and make this. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my Dr Seuss's Green Eggs and Ham, and I will catch you next time. Bye!